जिनके ना आते थे जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे, मेरा वक्त क्या बदला, मेरे नीम के पेड़ पे आम आने लगे.
There was a limitation of your life.
A businessman is the businessman.
The topic is job versus business.
बिजनेस उनके लिए नहीं है जो बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, बिजनेस उनके लिए है जो बिजनेस करे बिना अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाते. Hello everyone, how are you all?
Fine, sir.
You all must be fine, must be feeling like a kid in a candy store or chopped weights. And today we are going to have outstanding, remarkable debate session. So let me tell you, first one important and indispensable, very important, imperative, unavoidable thing. इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं, इस दुनिया का कोई रंग नहीं, कोई ढंग नहीं. अगर पास है पैसा, अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, अगर पास है पैसा तो सब कुछ है मेरे दोस्त, वरना कोई संग नहीं, वरना कोई संग नहीं. जिनके ना आते थे जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे, जिनके ना आते थे जवाब उनके सलाम आने लगे, मेरा वक्त क्या बदला, मेरे नीम के पेड़ पे आम आने लगे. So first of all, guys, as you know, everybody on this planet, everywhere, people are working for money. Either people are doing the job or they are doing their businesses. Either they are starting their startup or business, or they are becoming entrepreneur, or they are working under someone's company. People are making themselves busy somewhere. Either they have started their own company or they are working under someone. So everybody knows about it. Money plays an immense role in the career or progress of the person. Either having done the job, you can earn money, or after starting your business, you can earn money. So today we are going to have the critical debate session. So before we get started, I just want to let you know, today we are going to have the debate session on the topic businesses are better choice or jobs are better choice. As we know, if we are going to do the job, so there is, we are going to get the fixed salary, right? We people are going to get the fixed salary, no tension. We are going to have the time for our family members because we are going to have the weekends off. Yes, you heard me right, absolutely right. As we know, families are very indispensable also. We are able to spend time with family members. We are able to spend time with our wives. We are able to spend time with our brother. We are able to spend time with everyone just because of doing the job. But on the other side, if you talk about businessmen, if you talk about businesses, there are a lot of people who are businessmen, who are doing businesses. The people who are doing businesses, the people who have started their business, the people who are businessmen, the people who are entrepreneur, they are busy. Those people are occupied in doing something or whatever they are, wherever they are going, whatever they are doing, wherever they are going, at what corner they are, at what place they are always thinking about businesses. How do I have to take my business to the next level? Yes, you are right. The all time 24/7. A businessman is the businessman who thinks all the time 24/7. He has to be busy. Yes, you are right. Absolutely right. A businessman has to think all the time. Are you getting? 24/7, he has to be busy all the time. A person has to be occupied in thinking, in conjecturing, in pondering about how do I have to take my business to the next level. What should I, bring in my businesses? Like if I have started any kinds of businesses, so I have to think more and more. If I'm going even with my wife, I'm thinking, should I buy this or not for my businesses? I'm not there with my wife. I'm not there with my family member. I'm not there with my relatives. All the time I'm thinking like a businessman. How do I have to take my business to the next level? 24/7. Even though when I'm going to sleep, I have to take tension. I can get the losses in the business. Mean to say, Sunday to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, even you are not getting any kinds of holidays. You are not going to have in businessmen. If you talk about the businessmen, they are going to work 24/7. So today we are going to see both the sides, the benefits of jobs, the benefits of businessmen. So here we have two teams, Team A and Team B. We would be seeing their point of view, their perspective, what is better to do. And you guys, the people who are watching this video, you will be right, absolutely right. You can do right in the comment section. What is better to do, business or jobs? So here we have, let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only सरवन के लिए जोरदार ताली. Clap. who is going to speak and who is going to be the supporter of businessman. So we would love to listen to the point of Sarvan. What does he want to speak like about businesses? Businesses are important because he has been a businessman. He had started his business. Now that business has grown to the next level, and he has been the founder of CP Plus cameras company. So now today you would be able to get to know about him as well, about his business as well. So here we have Sarvan. So first of all, clap for Sarvan, everybody. So here we have another charming personality, the grandiloquent personality. I would let you know about Sarvan as well, and I would let you know about that person as well. Do you want to know? Say everybody. Do you want to know about that charming personality? Here, who is going to stand here? Do you want to know?
Yes.
Raise your voice, guys. Why are you creating kind of, So are you all excited?
Yes, sir.
So here we have another charming personality on the stage, Monica, who is going to be the supporter of Job. So let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Monica Krichudata. So first of all, I would want that Sarvan to, let people know about this company and about the business.
So first of all, a very special one again. Marvelous and super fellowship expert with friends and as well as myself and Mansa who gave me this global stand here. So my name is Sarvan. So first of all, thanks to Surya Srishti and Suraj sir who organized this fantabulous marvelous session about topics which is more good, business or the jobs. So I'm supporting business. I will provide you so many points of business, that how business is good than and better than a job. So let's start. There are so many facts and facts. I will show so many examples are there in the whole world about how business is good than the job. What happens in job? You're having a fixed time 9 to 9 a.m., 9 to 7 a.m., 9 to 6 a.m. Like a week you have to work for 6 days. Every day you have to go office at a fixed time. If you're getting late, the boss will scold you. After so many time, you get the increment in your salary. But in today's generation, so many people say about job, you are getting 60,000 salary, 70,000 salary, 80,000 salary. I will say, just listen, only 60 and 70,000 salaries are not available in the market. 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 salaries are also there. But I will say, don't be an employee, be a creator of yourself. Make your own identity in front of the world. I will take one example, about the YouTube. अगर सारे शॉर्ट्स देखते हैं, days are small children are there who are watching the shorts. ज़्यादा लोग मिस्टर बीस्ट को भी जानते होंगे. Like they are a big YouTuber. The CEO of YouTube. The CEO of YouTube has the net worth of $765 million. But you know about the creator? About Mr. Beast, he's having a net worth of 1 billion, estimated around 1 billion net worth is of Mr. Beast. We can take an example of a person who is working under the YouTube and a person who is making his own content and means selling the chocolates and festivals. He is earning more than the employee. I will say, become your own creator. So many people are, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, what is the job? Job is the limitation of your life. Job is stopping you to achieve those next level, those skies which you can touch by doing the business. Business give you open area. जितनी तुम्हारी ताकत है तुम कमा सकते हो. But what about the job? Your boss will, you are working under someone. Your boss will means एहसान करेगा तुम्हारे पर. He will say, I will give it increment about 10,000, about 11,000. After buttering the candle from both sides, you get this thing. So, what is the business is good? Suppose.
I want Monica to impress the people while after letting people know about how job is most indispensable and imperative. I think Monica seems that Monica has been defeated by him. Okay, because of her face sacrifice.
The best answer.
Oh really?
According to
Okay, really? She's just gonna let people know how jobs are very indispensable, very imperative, very unavoidable in everyone's life. So let us listen to the point of Monica. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
Splendid, good evening to one and all. This is me, Monica, and today we are having the marvelous, fantabulous, grandiose, grandiloquent, and a very supercalifragistic, expeditious topic. Our topic is job job versus business. It means team A versus team B. But first of all, I would like to say thanks to the founder of New Generation Institute, which is run by Such Sisti, Secretary Sir Mr. Suraj sir and Mr. Sanjay sir for having this golden opportunity. As well as I would like to say thanks to all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions and my esteemed host of this session. I am in the favor of job. And why? What we need: security, growth and a peace of mind. And job is providing a three best things. When you are doing a business, you are having a problem. Like you are having a problem, you are thinking, you are stressed. Like how can I grow my business? How can I develop my business? And in the starting, you are investing a 1,000 capital, 1 lakh capital, 10 lakh capital, 10 lakh equity shares, liabilities. You are investing everything in that. And you are thinking, like I will do that kind of profit. I will earn profit. But on your expectations, उस पे पानी फिर रहा है. Because you are going in a market and a business is not a thing which you can do easily. You have to build your own personality. You have to build your own goodwill and that. But job, what is a job? When I'm having a degree, skills, knowledge, and I'm going to a good company, good school, and I'm having a good job, I'm having security, fixed salary, not I'm thinking about my profit or losses. So according to me, job is much better than a business, because when we are thinking about the poor people, they can't do a business. They will afford only a jobs. They will afford 10,000 job, 20,000, and you are thinking there is only in market there's a 10,000, 60,000 jobs. When we are thinking about the poor people and he is doing a 10,000 job, for him 10,000 is more gold to them. Okay, this was my very first point.
Yeah, nice point. Splendid supercalifragilisticexpialidocious point has been spoken from the side of Monica, as he has spoken about it. What does a person want in his life? Stability, security, and time for the family member. If a person is just going to get all these things, stability, security, and money as well, and fixed salary, no tension, no stress, right? So no stress, no tension. So what a person wants in his life, so he's just going to get just in jobs. So I think it is a nice answer, splendiferous answer which Monica has given, because jobs are better choice to do, because we are not going to take any kind of tension or stress. People can be ill under the weather if a person is just going to start his business or start his startup, so many problems they are just going to be occurred while starting the startup. Or maybe that person is just going to face so many obstacles, difficulties, and problems are going to be faced by that person. If a person is going to start the business, so he has to think twice and thrice and 10 times. So businesses are the wrong choice, maybe can be the wrong choice. So what do you want to speak about it? Let us invite another person on the stage. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Aisa के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Who would be supporting the business really? Okay, so here we have another charming personality on the stage. Who wants to come? Let me know. Does Dixie want to come, or does Bhumi want to come? Raise your hand if you want to come. Okay, here we have the charming personality on the stage, Bhumi के लिए जोरदार तालियां भाई. Clap. Energetic. Be energetic. Yeah.
So first of all, a very special warm to my grandiose, liquid, marvelous and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious friends, and as well as my sacrosanct men, sir. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to my sir who gave me this golden opportunity to stand in front of you all. So today, as we all know that our topic name is job versus business. So I am in the favor of business. According to me, business is more better than job, because according to me, big achievements never come without the risk. According to me, big achievements never come without the risk, and the business gives you that. Big achievements never come without the risk, and the business gives you that chance. You will not have to go outside of the house and not find the jobs. Either you are going to outside of house and you are finding the job. If you are doing your own business, so you are the boss. You can, and in the job, what happens, like the employees can be fired anytime. The boss can fire the employees anytime if they want. And you know what happens in the job? In the job gives you salary, but the business gives you the freedom. And everyone can't do the business. Everyone has different mindset. Like that's why so many people are there who are doing the job. They are not being successful person in their life because they are not doing the job according to me. That's it.
You know, I want to add something in it. In business, like businesses are not for those who wants to start their business. Businesses are for those who can't stop themselves from doing the business. बिजनेस उनके लिए नहीं है जो बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं, बिजनेस उनके लिए जो बिजनेस करे बिना अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाते. So first of all, yeah, nice point has been spoken from the side of, you know, Aisa. So here we have another charming personality. Okay, so she is just going to support, you know, jobs are very important or indispensable. Let us listen the point of Kumi.
A very good evening to one and all. I am feeling so honored and privileged by standing before you. And today, first of all, I would like to thank Mr. Suraj sir for letting me a chance to convey my thoughts on a sensational topic. And the topic is job versus business. And I'm so excited I'm in a favor of job because job is more suitable and more preferable than a business. And let me give you a one point. Job is we all want success. We all want success. We all want stable life. We all want peace of mind. We all want secure and balanced life. And if there is no job worker, how can you build your business?
So now guys, we are going to have the time has come, very interesting time has come. Now we are going to have the counter attacks. Keep patience and keep on watching this video until it gets finished because it is going to be excitement, it's just going to be created. You will, you know, get to learn so many things from. Yeah, go ahead.
So hello everyone again, and before you, so I will defend myself and counter on them. They are asking about peace, about the mind's peace, the stress-free life, a tension-free life, a peaceful mind, and a secure life. You know, I want that tension. I want that stress. I want that stress. I want that tension. I want that risk. In the risk where the money is there, where the lakhs of money and crores of money, when you are having the opportunity, when you are having a chance to earn money, when you are having a chance to grab the money, I want that tension, sir. Who said like so many people ask, I want to live a peaceful life. They want something new, they want something new in their life. Or they are saying about security. Which kind of security is about in job according to you? You know, you are saying about a stability in saying about a stability in job. Do you know about the pandemic or the coronavirus when has come? So many people have left the job. That's a stability and the security in the coronavirus period, in the pandemic period. At that coronavirus and at that pandemic situation, which thing help you? The businesses. Amazon, what is that? A business. Flipkart, what is it? A business. Zomato, what is it? It's a business which is growing day by day. They are all kept on growing and growing and growing and growing. Jobs are only the things. You know, I haven't seen watch the KGF 2. Like there's one dialogue. Not powerful places make the person powerful. A powerful person make the places powerful. A person is there who's having ability to make the things powerful. When you're playing with your mind, when you're going outside of your limits, you know, come out the box. It is a very big.
एक और dialogue है. अगर risk है तो risk है.
वाह sir. You know, it's a big about the big theory. Come out from the box. The job, all are doing the job. They are all are doing the job. They are in the box. They don't know what is outside the box. They are saying about the freedom. All things my sister has also said about the freedom and all things. Them is bind and forcefully bind and pressurized by the bosses. About the work. If they will not do the work, the the boss and your senior will scold you. What happened in the job field? The boss give the work to manager, manager give it to vice manager give the supervisor, supervisor give the work to all employees. All employees are having the burden. What are you, and actually what are you doing in the job? You are not earning for yourself. You are earning for your boss.
Yes.
Why? A business is not a business. If a businessman is there and giving 10,000 salary to one employee, so in his 100, the 100 employees are there, और 100 employees को 10 लाख सैलरी दे रहा, तो 10 लाख सैलरी दे सकता है, उसकी इनकम कितनी होगी? Have you understand it?
What does he want to say? He wants to say that if you are working under someone else's, so it means that you are building their dreams. You are not building your dream. You are building someone else's dream. So are you being satisfied, being satiated, propitiated, pacified, appeased with the point of someone? And he also wants to say that. Like if you talk about the risk, as it is said that in jobs there is no risk. I think if you are going to start the business, there is high risk. It is sad that. But in my opinion, maybe if you are going for the jobs, there is more risk. In future, in upcoming time, you are not able to see that. You are not able to witness that. You are not able to, observe that. But in upcoming time, you will get to know, oh my God, I kept on wasting my time in just doing the job. I kept on earning money. I kept on, getting occupied in doing the jobs for getting the security, for getting the stability, for getting the, fixed income from the jobs. But in future time, you would get to know if you had started the business, maybe that business could have gone to the next level and you could have the legacy. Legacy, do you know? So you could have that legacy. So that legacy you are not going to get. If you are going to get the job, excuse me dear people, just listen one point as well. If you are going to go for the job, so like maybe you may be getting 10,000 and then from 10,000 there would be increment, you would go for the 15,000. From 15,000 you would go for the increment, there would be your salary 50,000. Oh my goodness, what am I talking? 50,000 मिल रहा है तुम्हें. Then from 50,000 you would go for 1 lakh rupee. Are you getting or not? In the jobs, you are getting 1 lakh rupee in 1 month. Like maybe you are going for the cabin crew, you are going for the air hostess. As you know, so many people are there. They are going in the aviation field. They are getting the high packages. The people who are going for the MNC company, they are getting high packages. Like they are getting 1 lakh rupee or 2 lakh rupees in a month. So many people are going for the jobs. But in future, if you talk about their children are going to be begotten, how would they be able to get that much salary? From the starting, they would have got to start. But if you talk about businesses, like if you had started the business on that business, maybe you could have started the business of clothing store. You could have started, but maybe the time would come, you would become old person. So at that time, there would be legacy. Your son can take that business to the next level. You are going to give that kind of business. You are going to give that business to your son, to your daughter. They are going to give the employment to the rest of other people. So maybe the decision which you are going to take right now, the decision of doing the job, maybe or can be the wrong decision. In future, you would understand. You would keep on saying from the person like you are earning that much from this store, like from the store, like only 10,000 or 20,000. Maybe in upcoming time you would understand the reality.